Hey kids, it's the iconic, the immortal Johnny B. Goode. Okay, we're talking about the last 4 bars today, which goes something like this. Sweet. Okay, the rhythm's pretty straightforward, but let me just talk through that for my rhythm challenge friends out there, who I have many, and I love you all. Okay, so it goes like 1, 2 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. So right there, that's going to be the trick. Oh my goodness. Okay, pretty much straight 8th notes through there, except for the first note. 1. You're all good, except for this one little sweet bit. Okay, let me just go through these notes for those of y'all who haven't seen my, oh, forget it, I'm not doing it. I've got at least 9 other videos on this. Go find them. Today I'm here to talk about this. This is how I hear how Chuck actually does this on the recording. If you hear differently, good for you. Do it that way. Okay, so if you play, let's say that's 1 and, let's see, 1, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and, it's 3 and 3 and. Okay. What you want to work on is getting that so you can go 3 and then have, you're going to sweep through and have the note on the first string end up on the 4th beat. 3 and 4, 3 and 4, 3 and 4, 3 and 4, 3 and 4. And it's just a sweep, you know, so those really, you can think of them as happening on the last 16th of the beat. So I guess that would make them 32nd notes. 3 and whatever, however you call those notes. 3 and 4, 3 and 3 and 3 and E4. And I would practice it just like that. And then get a little metronome. Click, clack, click, clack. Maybe even slow the metronome way down so you can see how smooth and even you are. Okay, there was one question too today about making sure that you've adjust the first finger over to be in the correct position to complete this lick. I'll show you how I do it. So when I do this bend, when I go there, I've got my first finger actually on the B and E strings. And then right here, when I play the, the 8th fret of the G, that's when I release as I play that note, I release the index finger and I get it ready on the G string. Now, see that? In the biz, we call that a triggering event. When you do that, release that. It's good to time it with something else, just so you have a specific time to do it, and this finger isn't left wondering, when should I go? Okay. Same thing. Every time when I come back the same way, watch this now. Now. Enjoy.